What's up, guys? How's it going? Good? That's great. Me? Oh, still bored. Still in quarantine. Yeah, it's sucky. So, today, what I'm gonna be doing is cooking. Because I don't have anything else to do. I'm bored. I have nothing else. Quarantine is taking over my life, and now my life is filled with things that I do within quarantine, and I think it's just really boring, but it's what I'm doing, so I'm still gonna document it because I still wanna remember these times, even though it's mundane. Mundane's a cool word. So, today is Saturday. This Wednesday is my sister-in-law's birthday. They're from It's A-Team. They have their own YouTube channel and they have a family vlog. It's really cool. I'll link it down below for the 30 people that watch my videos, and like 99% of you guys are my friends. So it's her birthday this Wednesday. I want to do something for her that's more like sentimental, I guess. Like, I can make it with my hands. I'm very terrible at crafts. If you watched my Thanksgiving vlog, like the first vlog I made for this channel, I made an apple crisp for our Sibsgiving dinner. Everyone seemed to like it. I don't know how. That was the first time I made it. Ever since then, I made it like 2 more times, and it's just been like really fun to make, and I love it. And I just want to make something for her. So I'm gonna make an apple crisp. We're cooking channel today, guys. Not a good one. I have like 1% skill in cooking and then 0.5% skill in baking. But luck of the draw, I feel like I'm pretty okay. I will take you guys along as I make this dish. I would make a cake, but I'm really bad at making cakes. I had to restart because someone was walking to my front. I can see like my front door and from here, and as someone was walking towards it, I got really scared and I had to pause the video, and then it was just Amazon. Oh, I'm paranoid. Apple crisps are easy because you don't have to make a pie crust. All you have to do is put the crisp on top, and that's it. That's all I have for you today. So let's cook, or let's bake. Yeah. Welcome to my kitchen. I just touched this and something's sticky. Okay. Are you for real? Bro. Oh my God. I don't know if you can hear that. The refrigerator's just going berserk. Whatever. I have low quality videos anyway. First up, 2 pounds of Fuji or Granny Smith apples. Orange juice. No pulp. I didn't look if it was pulp or no pulp. No pulp. Granulated sugar. Ooh. Cinnamon. All-purpose flour. Rolled oats. Not instant. I don't know if this is not instant. Dark brown sugar. Light brown sugar. This is really hard. Oh! 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 Oh no! Okay. It's on the floor. I'm stepping on it right now. It's under my socks. Please pause. We're okay. We're okay. Don't worry. Don't worry, guys.
It's okay. It's okay.
Damn, I wasted so much sugar. I still feel sugar in my socks. Half pound of cold unsalted butter. Ground nutmeg. If you have nutmeg and a zester thing, that's better. It's like freshly grind your nutmeg. I just have this. I'm not anything substantial in this world or life. First things first, I'm the realist. Okay, I have a weight thing, and so I'm gonna try to measure out 2 pounds of apples. Next up is I have to peel and slice these apples, which is the worst part of this entire recipe. I hate this part. I need help when I do this part. Watch this montage of me peeling because I'm gonna fast forward because this is the most boring part in the world. Almost peeled my own hand. Ah! frick, dude? I keep almost peeling my freaking fingers off. Apples are peeled. Now I have to cut it. All right, so we're just gonna cut off the ends. Huzzah. Cut down the middle, and then cut the cores. And I cut them really weird, so I mean, if anyone's coming for me that I'm making it wrong, shut up.
That's what I just said.
God, if you care about aesthetics, then why are you here? Why am I here?
Hello?
All right, apples are peeled and they are cut. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a 4th cup of orange juice. About. Then we're gonna do a 4th cup of sugar. Then we're gonna do a 4th cup of brown sugar. Make sure it's not expired. Does sugar expire? It does, right? Am I stupid? Am I literal dumb? I'm just gonna, yeah. Cinnamon and nutmeg. I'm gonna start off with 2 tablespoons and then we'll go from there. 1, let's maybe do a half. Maybe I was overzealous. A teaspoon of ground nutmeg, which I have messed up before and I put too much nutmeg and that was a really, really bad idea. All right, and now we are going to stir it up. Okay. So I'm a little concerned because it's kind of really brown. But I'm gonna try one and see if the taste is okay. That's nice. Actually, could use a little more cinnamon. Oh, it's a lot. Okay. If I messed up this recipe, I'm sorry. Oh. Oh, dude, chef's kiss. That is good. And it's not because I made it. I just followed directions. We're gonna put these apples onto this glass baking dish and then we're gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes. The reason why is I like to let it kind of marinate in this like sauce thing that it's in, and then we'll go ahead and then put the crisp stuff on top. All right, now I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge. Right there. All right, done. All right, so here's what happened. My external mic stopped working after I put the apples in the fridge. So everything after that, up until I put the apple crisp in the oven, there's no sound. You know what? I'm still gonna post it. I'm just gonna do a voiceover and then, yeah. So enjoy this voiceover of me doing the rest of the recipe. I'm gonna go and eat the last of my vegan chicken taquito that I got from Sprouts. It's so freaking good, and I'm just gonna not care anymore. Oh my god, it's so good. Alright guys, we are back with the ASMR portion. I thought I would be done with this, but I am an idiot, so here we go again. What's up? I put 1.5 cups of flour in there, and then 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. Yes. And then, dude, I swear to God, that freaking light brown sugar killed me. I hate it so much. But 3/4 cups of the light brown sugar. And then we put in 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then a cup of the rolled oats. What's up? And then we took the 1/2 pound of butter. I think it was 2 sticks. Yeah, it was 2 sticks of the butter. And then sliced it up. and then threw it in there. And then I took a potato masher and then started putting it. I also added cinnamon. Cinnamon wasn't required, but I just wanted it in there. Started mashing it up with the potato masher, and then I got really tired of it, so I just started using my hands. I want to make sure that the butter is so cold, so that way it can like kind of separate into like little balls and still form its like ball shape. I took chicken taquitos out of the oven, and it was really hot. Yep. And then I spread that crisp over the apples. Wanted to make sure that you got in the crevices. I hate that word, the crevices, oh my god, of that. And then I ate another chicken taquito. It's vegan, it's really good, but it was still hot. And then I spread the rest over. And then I took another stick of butter and then sliced it into little cubes and then evenly distribute it over. Dude, look how organized that is. Call me a secretary. And then I put it in the oven and... Alright guys, so it is time and I think it's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead, take it out of the oven, and then hopefully it looks good. Let's give it a whirl. Oh! Hell yeah, baby! Oh shoot, I dropped my mitt. Okay. Yeah! Dude, it's good. I think it's good. I don't know. Hada. Yeah. So definitely some parts of the apple crisp like aren't perfect. You can definitely kind of see some of the juices like kind of peeking out. The crust is like, it's crisp. I'm super stoked. Holy crap. I think this is the best one that I've made. Not aesthetically, because it looks like crap. But like, you know, in terms of like texture and everything, I think it's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in foil, and then while it's still like kind of hot, I want to bring it over to them while it's warm. So I'm gonna drive it over. They live like 5 minutes from me, so it's like not too bad, but I'm gonna wrap this in foil and then we're gonna get this going. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm gonna change my shirt and then I'll take you guys over and then we'll see her reaction. That is hot. Can you?
Yeah.
We'll have to walk the dog in.
Hey yo. Hi guy.
Oh. Hello. Mwah.
Hi. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Is it all mine?
Throw it.
No, I'm kidding.
Troll, let me know how it is. I'm scared.
No, we should all try it together. And
Oh,
then
okay.
we'll put it
Okay.
down.
Usually it doesn't smell good.
Smells like inside.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it's so good. I love how it's crunchy. Oh no, it's not. I feel bad for you guys because you can't have some.
Those are missing out.
Oh my god, it's so
You
good.
haven't had
Whoa.
Holy crap. I like the this
oatmeal.
is, how do you make it so crunchy? This is bomb.
Whoa. I think it was better than Sip's getting.
Dude, yeah. I think you made it better.
Yeah, I think you did.
You know, like you keep making it and you
Here, man.
perfect it?
Yeah.
Thank you, Uncle AJ!
You're welcome. All right, y'all. We did it. Yeah. I think it was probably one of the best apple crisps I've ever made. I'm pretty impressed with myself, but then at the same time, I just followed directions really well. So I don't think I should take credit. Whew, it was really good. She loved it. My family loved it. Seems like they did. Yeah, that just makes me happy. Again, I would do this regardless if I was recording or not, but I just want to be able to document my life and like, you know, have moments and memories like this. I'm gonna keep doing stuff like that. I enjoy it and it's really fun. It's gonna be boring stuff. We're in quarantine, but these are the things that are helping me get through it. I like to make these memories. I do want to remember these moments. I'm now a cooking channel. I'm just kidding, I don't know. I know it's my sister's gift, but I took a piece home. Oh my god. Like, freak, dude, it's so good. But yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'm gonna keep doing more stuff. I don't know what the next video is gonna be or when I'm gonna release it. And thanks for watching a normal guy do normal things with some amazing people. I appreciate it. And I will see you guys later. I'm gonna finish this.
Oh my god, it's so good.